Hi, I'm Ariel Breidenbach. As the manager of Ryan Chevrolet Service Department, it is my goal to be as transparent as possible in everything we do. In this video, we're going to pull back the curtain and show you what all goes into a Quick Lube oil change. You'll see it's more than just an oil change. When you come through our certified service doors, you'll be welcomed by our greeter who will direct you into a service lane. One of our friendly advisors will then meet you at your vehicle to verify your information, check your tires, and perform a quick vehicle inspection. From there, your vehicle will be transported to one of our Quick Lube bays where our highly trained technicians will get to work. Right away, we'll get busy checking and topping off your essential fluids. We'll check your serpentine belt, windshield wipers, and lights. All the while in the lower bay underneath your vehicle, another technician is draining your engine oil and then replacing the filter. Once the tech in the lower bay reinserts the drain plug, the upper level tech will refill the engine with motor oil. But we're not quite done yet. Your air and cabin filters still need to be checked. We'll vacuum the front interior and wipe down the windows. And finally, it's time for your complimentary wash. You see? A Ryan Chevrolet Quick Lube is more than just an oil change. It's preventative maintenance to keep your vehicle running smoothly. We do our best to get you in and out quickly so you can get on with your day and leave confident in your vehicle's performance. No appointment is necessary, but if you'd like to reserve a time for your Quick Lube, visit us at ryanchevrolet.com or give us a call at 852-3571.